Your MCQ questions. What is the unit of frequency of a sound? The right answer option A, hertz. And next question. Which type of wave is sound wave in air? The right answer option B, longitudinal wave. And next question. What is the speed of sound in a air at room temperature? The right answer option D, 343 meter per second. And next question. Which of the following can sound not travel through? The right answer option D, vacuum. And next question. Which part of the human ear detects sound vibrations? The right answer option A, cochlea. And move on next question. In which medium does sound travel fastest? The right answer option D, option C, steel.